Okay, guys, in today's video, we will be checking out how to pick up a right analysis and set up a good trade for yourself that will end up in profit. Okay, if you have been looking for how you can set up a profitable trade for yourself, then you need to watch this video to the end because in this video, we share with you how you can do it, the right strategy to use, and of course, how you can avoid I mean situations like this because sometimes it might not really get to where you are going to directly before it will pull back. So all these are very very important. So we're going to be checking all these things out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So in order for us to have a better understanding of how these work, then it is important we use live charts, and of course we will be using the assets that we have analyzed some hours ago. Okay, that is yesterday night. Okay, so let's see how it works. This is Gamex 1200. First of all, we actually milk this particular asset on downtrend when it switched from uptrend into a downtrend at this point, and we milked it down till it got to this support zone. When it got to the support zone, we highlighted the support zone first. We highlighted the support zone first, and of course to see if it will break out from there. It is always important we take note of that because there can be a breakout, and if there is no breakout, then there should be a switch in direction of the trend, and at this point it's switching to an uptrend. Okay, so it switched into an uptrend at this point, and there are some situations whereby you need to really understand before you start trading. Okay, because it's switching to an uptrend at this point, then we add a buy signal right from here. Remember, when it is on uptrend and it is coming from a major support zone, then what you should go for is a buy signal and not a sell signal. So right here should be a buy signal. This is where you should come in. Okay, but if you should remember, around here it got to this resistance zone and it pulled back. Okay, so we should also have it at the back of our mind that okay, somewhere around there the market might want to pull back somewhere around there. Okay, so even though it didn't get there totally before it pulled back, but you can see it pulling back right from there. Okay, so that is why sometimes I pick up my trade before it get to the final part of the resistance zone. Okay, so that is it. So you can see it pulled back till it got to this region. It came back to the support zone again, still unable to break out from here. So this is a lesson from us. Okay, it simply means that somewhere around here now, okay, the market might want to pull back again. Okay, so and when it switch back into an uptrend, we can buy again since it's unable to break out from this support zone. But we should know that somewhere around there, the market can pull back. Sometimes it will not even get there totally, and that is what it happened. I mean, that is what we experienced around here. And right now, it is pulling back and it is selling at the moment. So right now, this is targeting this support zone again. If it get there and if it breaks out from there, it's going to sell more. Okay, because the possibility of it breaking down is real. Okay, and of course if it does not break out from there, then it should go back up and be targeting this region again. Okay, so naturally this has been playing within this region and this region right now, and we can always milk it as it is going up and down until it is able to break out totally either from the upper part of the channel or from the lower part of the channel. Now let's see more, guys. This is Gamex 999, and I remember very well we actually milked this asset on downtrend, and yesterday I gave us the analysis that this has actually gotten to this support zone and it has not been able to break out from there. You can see we highlighted the support zone and it switched into an uptrend right from here. And I told us that right here, if it gets here, then if it's unable to break out from there, then it will pull back. And you can see the pullback right now, okay? And went back up a bit and it's coming down again. So right now, it is selling at the moment, but we want to see if it will break out below this, okay? This is a mini support zone. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it is coming towards this direction, okay? So that is how you can use the trend trading strategy to follow up with your trade. So this bought from here, just the way we are saying, it got to this region, was unable to go further, so it switched back into a downtrend, so till it got to this region, had a pullback, and of course it's selling again right now. So if it should break out from here, then it's going to sell more, so we should take note of that. Now let's move on, guys. This is Paynex 1200. Okay, for Paynex 1200, we noticed that this was an uptrend before and it got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, so we highlighted the resistance zone first, and of course, since it's unable to break out from there, it switched into a downtrend and gave us a sell signal at this point. And of course, guys, we added our entry point and our stop loss. We turned the resistance zone into a stop loss, and it sold till it got to this region. Okay, we highlighted these three sections as our TP because it's going to be a long trading opportunity. Even the first TP will have given you a lot of profit, but it pulled back. You can see it, guys. It pulled back after getting to this region, pulled back, and after the pullback, it has started a downtrend again. So we still believe that this is still going to sell, and of course, we want to believe that it should get to this region. Or short, in this situation, I can make us have one TP around here, so that we can have some trade close, okay, for those that are just coming in, okay. So we can have a TP around here, and if it breaks out from there, then it should get to this region and this and this. Okay, so that is it. Now let's see, guys. This is another trading opportunity which we actually set out yesterday. This is on Paynex 999. This actually got to the support zone at this point. Like I said, once it gets to the support zone or the resistance zone, the first thing you should do is to highlight those areas, that is the support or resistance zone. So we highlighted the support zone at this point to see if it will break out below it or not. Okay, in this situation, it did not break out below it, so it switched into an uptrend, and right from there, we highlighted our entry point, because we've gotten a buy signal right from there. Then we also highlighted our TPs. As you can see, it has achieved the first TP, the second TP, the third TP, and it has just achieved the fourth TP. So that's so amazing. That is the power of trend trading strategy, and it is still going to go more. Okay, and after that, probably if it's unable to break out from the resistance zone, it will switch back into a downtrend, and we're going to milk it down till it get to the support zone again. Okay, so we are waiting for that also. Okay, and of course, let's check out the last assets. FX volume 80. This is not the spiky asset, but it is also a reasonable asset. Okay, and of course, guys, this got to the resistance zone at this point. We highlighted it just the way we are saying it, and of course, it's switching to a downtrend since it's unable to break out from there. And you can see it's just a single sell signal gave us all this profit. Okay, that's so amazing. Right now, it is switching into an uptrend, and we may likely have a very good time buying within this market. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. So in a nutshell, okay, what the strategy is all about is you recognizing the trend. If you should be able to identify the trend whenever you want to trade, you should be able to identify whenever the trend is switching from one trend to another. You should be able to identify breakouts from the zones, that is the support and resistance zones. Okay, so once you are able to identify all these, it will help you to know what you should do whenever you are trading. Okay, so this way you will not be going into the market without having an idea of what you are supposed to do when you get there. Okay, so this is very, very important. All I will advise you to do is for you to understand this trading strategy very well, practice with it very well before you start using it on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.